Many organizations have long-run coax infrastructure supporting existing endpoints but want to modernize to IP. This results in the need to add many IDF closets to achieve the reach requirements, leading to risk, higher cost, disruption, network complexity, and security concerns, potentially compromising your business. If you have a standard Ethernet switch and want to extend connectivity leveraging an existing or new coax infrastructure, the new EC extender kits are for you. By leveraging a single coax run, the kits deliver 10 100 megabits per second full duplex, symmetrical, and PoE++ over coax cable with a reach up to 4,000 feet, 1,220 meters to any IEEE compliant device. The one-port extender kit includes one EC base, one EC Link Plus adapter, and a 60-watt power supply. The 4-port extender kit includes the one EC base, one EC4 adapter, and a 110-watt power supply to locally power the EC4 adapter if additional power is required for all 4 endpoints. The EC4 allows you to enable 4 IP endpoints spanning 658 feet, 200 meters from the EC4 location. 100 megabits per second, symmetrical shared by 4 IP endpoints over a single coax cable 2,000 feet, 610 meters away from the EC base extender. The Clear product family enables modern LAN design principles, helping you efficiently connect the Internet of Things. Make your IP transformation simple, secure, and cost-effective with NVT Phybridge. Watch more videos and learn about other products in the Clear family by visiting www.nvtphybridge.com/coax2ip.